Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docens Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to ask for help in English. Whether you're at work, in school, or simply navigating daily life, knowing how to ask for help politely and clearly is a very useful skill. So, let's go over some key phrases and tips that will help you feel more confident asking for help in different situations. Phrase number 1, could you help me, please? This is one of the simplest and most polite ways to ask for help. For example, could you help me, please, or could you help me with this report? Adding please at the end makes the request more courteous and shows respect for the person's time. Phrase number 2, can you give me a hand? This is a more casual way to ask for help, often used when you need assistance with something physical or hands-on. For example, can you give me a hand with carrying these boxes? Or can you give me a hand with setting up the meeting room? It's perfect for situations where you need quick, practical help. Phrase number 3, I need some assistance with. Use this phrase in more formal or professional settings. For example, I need some assistance with understanding this document, or I need some assistance with organizing the event. It's a clear and polite way to express that you need help with a specific task. Phrase number 4, could you show me how to? Use this phrase when you want to learn how to do something. For example, could you show me how to use this software, or could you show me how to solve this problem? It's a great way to ask for help while also indicating that you want to learn. Phrase number 5, would you mind helping me? This is a very polite and respectful way to ask for help. For example, would you mind helping me with this project, or would you mind explaining this process to me? Use this phrase when speaking to someone you want to show extra politeness or deference to, like a supervisor or a colleague. Phrase number 6, can you spare a few minutes to? Use this phrase when you know the other person might be busy, but you still need help. For example, can you spare a few minutes to go over this presentation, or can you spare a moment to help me understand this concept? This shows that you respect their time and are asking for help without interrupting too much. Phrase number 7, I'm having trouble with. Could you help me? Use this phrase to explain what you're struggling with. For example, I'm having trouble with this math problem. Could you help me? Or I'm having trouble finding the right information. Could you give me a hand? Being specific about the issue makes it easier for the other person to offer help. Phrase number 8, could I ask for your advice on? Use this phrase when you need guidance or advice rather than direct help. For example, could I ask for your advice on this project proposal? Or could I ask for your advice on how to handle this situation? It shows that you value the other person's opinion and want their input. Phrase number 9, can you explain this to me, please? This is a straightforward way to ask for help understanding something. For example, can you explain this to me, please? I don't quite get it, or can you explain this concept to me in simpler terms? It's a good way to express that you need more information or clarification. Phrase number 10, do you have a moment to help me? Use this phrase when you want to check if someone is available before asking for help. For example, do you have a moment to help me with this assignment, or do you have a moment to go through these numbers? It's a polite way to show that you understand they might be busy. Bonus phrase, thank you so much for your help. After someone helps you, always show gratitude by saying, thank you so much for your help, or I really appreciate your assistance. This leaves a positive impression and shows that you value their support. Quick tips for asking for help, be polite and respectful. Use words like please, could, and would you mind to make your request sound more courteous. Be specific. Explain what you need help with clearly so the other person knows how to assist you. Choose the right time. Make sure the person isn't too busy before you ask for help. Show appreciation. Always thank the person for their help to show gratitude and build positive relationships. With these phrases and tips, you'll be able to ask for help in English confidently and politely. Practice using them in different scenarios, whether at work, in class, or in everyday situations, and soon you'll feel more comfortable reaching out for assistance whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more English lessons and tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and happy learning!